Hello, today we're going to be talking about how to log into ExactPath. ExactPath is a learning resource we have here at High Point Virtual Academy to help support you as a learner wherever you are on your learning journey. It helps you practice the skills that you need to learn at the level that you're at. Now, you may have been given a link to ExactPath in the chat from your teacher. You could have found it in the Nearpod, or you can even get to it off the first grade website, which is what I'm doing in this video. You click on ExactPath. You click on the green Edmentum ExactPath. Green means go. And here you arrive at this screen. No matter how you get to ExactPath, you will always come to this login screen. The account is K12. Your username is your student number. That is a number unique to you as a learner at High Point Virtual Academy. Your student number is your username. Your password is password. Your password is password. Once you have entered these three things, you can click on the green bar and you will be ready to start your learning adventure for the day on ExactPath.